So this is kind of a quick general guide of how to use a telescope if it's your first time. So the first thing that you want to do is you'll actually find the target. So in this case it's the moon in the little finder scope, right? So let's see. So there's the moon through the finder scope. So it's already magnified a little bit, and you'll actually want to center with the crosshairs. I'm not gonna do that because I'm hand holding my phone to which I'm using to record this video, to the finder scope. So you'll center that up, right? And then you're gonna go to your eyepiece, you know, like of the actual telescope, and you're gonna look through there. Pretty cool. There's the moon. Alright, and let me switch over to, real quick to the pro mode of the camera, and we'll be able to get a much better picture of the moon. Alright, so we're in the pro mode of the camera, and all that does is allows me to adjust the exposure to what it needs to be, because as you can see right now, the moon's way too bright, right? And that's just because we're using the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the ISO, basically the sensitivity of the camera, down, right? And you'll magically start to see kind of more detail on the moon. So you kind of see craters and all the fun stuff that's normally associated with the moon. Pretty cool. Right now it's a small crescent. Very cool to check it out at at this stage. Yeah. So this kind of gives you an idea of what you can expect to see even at a low power with the stock eyepiece that kind of comes with the scope. Alright guys, so here's a little bit more of a zoomed in view of the moon, and I apologize the shaking. This is about as good as I could get it, handheld. And the reason that I wanted to show you this is because this is a little bit closer to the amount of detail that you could expect to see, even with the low power stock eyepiece with your eyeball.